In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a message as a draft in Yahoo Mail. This process is quite straightforward and takes just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to head over to the Yahoo Mail login page. Once you're there, type in your Yahoo email address in the field provided. It's essential to double check you've entered the correct email address to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, you'll see a Next button on your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type your password carefully, ensuring that the caps lock is off if your password is case sensitive. Once your password is entered correctly, click Next again to proceed. After successfully logging into your Yahoo Mail account, you will land on your email dashboard. Look for the Compose button, often found at the top left of the screen, and give it a click. This is where you'll be able to start drafting your new email. In the Compose window, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address in the To field. It's also a good idea to add a subject line to give your recipient a hint about the email's content. Below the subject line, you'll find the main body where you can begin typing your message. Take your time to craft your email, adding any additional information or attachments as needed. One of the great features of Yahoo Mail is that it automatically saves your email drafts every few seconds. This means you don't need to worry too much about losing your work if something unexpected happens, like closing the tab accidentally. However, if you want to ensure your message is safely saved, you can simply close the Compose window. Yahoo Mail will automatically save it in your Drafts folder, ensuring you can come back to it later. To find your saved draft, just look on the left sidebar where you'll see the Drafts folder. By clicking on it, you'll view all the emails you've saved but haven't sent. From there, you can open your draft, make any final edits, and send it when you're ready. And there you have it. That's how you save a message as a draft in Yahoo Mail. This feature is incredibly useful for when you need to jot down a quick email but aren't quite ready to send it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Have a great day.